Hi, welcome back to Mechanic Garage, and this is probably the final part of the Rover clutch and front end rebuild video. There's a few minor things to do, wheel arch liners. Need to have a quick look at the steering rack, probably drop it back down and straighten that edge lip up to where the bolts caught it in the last video. The seal's not going to sit properly and it'll be annoying because there'll be wind noise. Beyond that, brakes to sort, discs to sort out, not discs, pads to sort out. Beyond that, it's just the pads to sort out and then get back on the back end and start doing the bodywork prep for the bit of welding it needs. Hi, I'm under here again. Everything's back together. I've just had to straighten where the steering column goes through. I'll try and show you. It's not. Look at that. Where the steering column goes through there, that black rubber bush, it's double skinned, and when I'd got it into yesterday, the pinch bolt had caught on the inner skin and bent it, just chewed it up slightly so that the rubber seal wouldn't go back in. As you can see in the video, it was a bit of a mess. It was like, so I've managed to straighten it all out, to drop the steering rack out and back down to give me enough room there and get it from underneath the dashboard, which is another fun job. There we go. But it's an interesting angle. There we go, gearbox. The metal's straight now. It's a little bit wriggly. Oh, it's not too bad though. The rubber's all back in. It's all back together. So now it's a couple of bits of trim under here, like the inner arch liners, and get the other side on now, because oh yeah, not leaking. The pipe and everything on the back bone dry. There was no puddle on the floor this morning until it rained, and that was the main problem, main concern, that it was going to start leaking again. That's better. But yeah, the pipe that was behind here, that was leaking, isn't now, is good. Coolant's still the right level, so that's pretty much that done. Clutch is feeling good. I've got to set the wheel arch liners on, like I just said. That'll connect up the ABS wires permanently through the plastic liner. I connected them yesterday just to make sure everything worked, and then I'm going to get the wheels back on it. Even take it for a drive around my drive, because no MOT on it yet, I can't go anywhere. Right, been a bit of faffing with the wheel arch liners. Got them on. This wheel arch, the mud flap catches the ground when you go over bumps because it's hanging down, so I'm going to have to re-drill this and fasten it at the end because the original clips have pulled through slightly. Same on the other side, it's a little bit low. Got all the wiring routed through up inside there, you can't really see anything. And for the first time in about 8 months, it's got the belly plate on. There's a couple of clips missing, so I've ordered some off eBay. Only a couple that hold it on, but sorry, a couple missing, sorry. Everything under there is now done. And what I'm going to do, clean the wheels. They're not actually that bad because I did wash them before, but while they're off, I always scrub the inside, get some wheel cleaner in there and give them a good scrubbing, and then get them on, sort the mud flaps out. Because this side, let's say it's not too bad, but it's pulled down a little. If I can get it secure, it'll stop it dragging on the floor. Give all this a good wash out as well, because it's rubbish. Give all that a good clean out while I'm there. Tidy it up. Alright, I shall get the tripod out and we'll clean some wheels. bit of difference. The devil's blood, it basically eats into all the iron and the muck from your brake pads and turns it purple like that. And that's not bad for a, what's it say, February 03. So that's over 20-year-old. So we need to do that side now. It's a big difference, the black manky wheels, and then especially when they're clean inside as well. It's a big difference to the overall look of it. They weren't too bad in the first place, but yeah, I mean, I've cleaned these back wheels before, but you can see they're a bit there. I need to get some covers for these wheel nuts because rusty wheel nuts just, nah. Anyway, I reckon that'll do for today. I think just get the wheels on it and then get it on the floor, and then we're ready to turn it round. I call that quite a successful day. It's amazing how much different the tyres on the front look size wise. I know they're the same physical size, but the rear ones look a lot smaller, even though they're actually the same size. So I think definitely need the same on the back. Right, I think that's a good point to finish. I'll clear up and pack all my stuff away. But yeah, I'm pleased with that so far. Once it's clean, once it's cleaned up, new screen polished, It's like a really, really good car. I don't really want to sell it. Unfortunately, I've got that now. And I like Volvos. Maybe I could keep it. Maybe not. Right, anyway. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, anything that you want to say, within reason. Hopefully stick around for more videos. There'll be more to do on this, but that's the majority of it done now. There's just a little bit more on the back brakes, checking, servicing, and then it's a case of taking it for MOT. Thanks very much for watching.